Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two best cold email outreach, which is Smartlead and Warmy. So we can start with a quick overview. Smartlead is an advanced cold email automation platform focused on scaling outreach safely. It offers AI personalization, unlimited sender accounts, inbox rotation, and automated warm-up features, making it ideal for agencies and large-scale teams managing high volume. On the other side, Warmy is specialized in email warm-up and deliverability enhancement. While it has a recent added basic tools outreach, is the capabilities and its primary strength remain improving sender repetition and inbox placement through sophisticated warming techniques. Then talking about the strength and weakness of this platform, starting with the Smartlead. Even the strength has an unlimited sending account with rotation. So it has a built-in AI personalized for high conversation. Then on the other side, it has an integrated warm-up to protect your deliverability. And talking about the downside, it can be too complex for solo users and cost increase with advanced features usage. Then on the other side, talking about the strength and weakness of Warmy. Warmy is industry-leading email warm-up and deliverability tools with a high-base spam score monitoring and increased repetition across multiple inboxes. Its simple interface for managing warm-up is super cool. We're talking about the downside about this platform. It has a limited core outreach automation features, not designed for scaling outreach and campaign. Outreach features are basic compared to Smartlead. And here's the overall conclusion. Smartlead is your focus on running a large-scale automated tools, rich and built-in personalized and a warm-up. On the other side, pick Warmy if your priority is to be boost and email deliverability and send repetitions, even especially if you already have one outreach tools. So that's it.